Can I start import-export business at low budget? Interested in starting your own import-export business? But are you facing financial crunches to invest in your business? No worries. Now you can start import-export business at low budget by making use of trade finance services. By using the financial instrument named letter of credit, you can import goods from your supplier now, and you can pay them after the shipment. So, there is no need to invest your working capital in a single deal. You can also use the instrument called standby letter of credit, and this will help you to import goods from your supplier on credit basis. So, with this instrument, there is no need to pay your supplier upfront. If you need further assistance in choosing financial instrument for your import-export business, we are here to help you. Submit your requirements to us, and we will be glad to assist you in choosing the right financial instrument that suits the best for your import-export business. Apart from providing consultation, we can also help you by providing the required letter of credit and standby letter of credit on behalf of your company from good repute banks at zero collateral from our own bank account. Discuss with us today. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.